Today we're in Georgia, in Brunswick, and we do have a storm coming in. So the dock master recommended extra lines. So we got a few on here. We got this mega fender and extra lines going all over the place. We doubled up with some spring lines. Have just different angles coming here. More spring lines. We got some different lines just everywhere. Some of these lines are pretty long. I think this one's a 50-footer. So I try to use as much of the line as possible. But I think we're pretty secure. Some reports are saying, 50-mile-an-hour winds. Some are saying 30. But anyways, we just want to be prepared. So we got bumpers and fenders out. We got the dinghy made off pretty well. And I tied the jib up a little with an extra piece of line here, just to make sure. Tied off the paddle boards. Those are good. And I feel pretty secure. Feel good about it. So cross your fingers. Here we go. So we got a few lines on here. Try not to stress out too much cleats. And I think we should be good. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 points. So I think we should be good for the storm. If not, we'll wake up and have some other ones ready to put on. But it shouldn't be too bad. They are issuing some tornado warnings.
I hope it's not that bad.
Yeah, but everything's buttoned up. It's all good. Alright, well, we have a gale warning in effect. Got that weird system that started in the Gulf. Is currently going over Florida. And it's going to be here tonight, I believe. So there says gusts of 45 knots. Seas building 9 to 14. Yeah, that's not good. So we're tied to the dock. We have lots of extra lines on, as we showed you, but it's a little scary, but we're all right. There's nothing to worry about. We've got a flood watch till 4 a.m. on Monday. Wow. Yeah, but it just started raining. Oh yeah, look at that. Dark purples. We got 100% rain. It's coming. We got rain all as far as I can see. So, there was another report that some of the seas are going to be up to 30 feet on the outside, and it's going to go up to the Carolinas. Not going to be good. So we're tied to the dock. We're just hunkering down. We got lots of fenders, lots of ropes out. And we go grocery shopping, so we got plenty of beer, so we'll ride out the storm just fine.
The rain is there outside. I'm watching the rain.
Lots of rain.
The wind is crazy. It's like from 6 knots to 16 knots.
That's what you've seen?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, we got some gusts already. We're probably not going to sleep much tonight once it starts blowing. I don't know.
Really?
Oh. I got some fenders and extra lines too ready. So.
And it's right in our side, right? So you're gonna hear a lot.
We're gonna
too.
hear it, yeah.
Did you fart?
Nobody heard that. It's just hearing things. Barking spiders are everywhere. Alright, well, Sue's gonna cook a nice meal. And, yeah, we just had an artichoke. Those are yummy.
Appetizer.
Appetizer.
I'm gonna shower first.
Oh, yeah, shower.
Then I start dinner.
Yeah. See you later. $35. I just saw 39. It's 36 knots. 37, 38. Oh, 39. Oh, 39, 40. 40.2, 40. Wow. That's on camera. Wow, it's sustaining at like 30, over 35. Wow. That's crazy. Somebody wants me to put the camera in here. And put it out here. I guess she wanted it over here. She wants it over here. Facing. The storm in Georgia ended up being not too bad as we thought or was predicted. We didn't know what we were going to get until it happened. It was supposed to hit at the night, but it ended up hitting it early morning. The most knots we saw, a gust to 42 knots, and it was sustaining mid-30s for a long time. We tried to pay attention to the boat, make sure we had enough fenders, make sure the ropes were good. But all in all, everything worked out just fine. Thank goodness we were tied to the dock for this storm because we wouldn't want to be out there on the anchor. Thank you for watching this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. We worked hard to video everything and show you the storm. Maybe you learned a thing or two. If not, well, hey, you watched till the end, so we appreciate you. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video.